This is Mac Pernia is on the air. Alam na diba? So, syempre bago natin ipagpatuloy ang ating video, dahil baka bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, ay huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para sa mga susunod ko pang video ay update kayo. So ano pang hinihintay nyo?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Ito sa akin salong-salo to, laki ng ilong ko. Pag ito makawala sa ilong ko, ewan ko lang. Ayan, dahil sa laki ng ilong ko, salong-salo lahat ng face shield. Hindi malalaglag dahil tugtog ka at ano pang gawin na ito. Diyan ka ito magkawala pa dyan. O kung gusto nyong talian dito para mahulog man, maging kwintas na kasi malay mo pag nalaglag to, baka pero plastic siya, hindi siya plastic siya, medyo magbabounce lang to pag nahulog. Kaya thank you so much Miss Ade, medyo bagay na bagay sa akin. Kumikinang ang kagandahan ng facial sa akin. Ayan po itsura niya. Medyo maganda yung salamin niya. Pwede mong gawing reading eyeglasses. Hindi naman. Basta pagdating mo sa pag nagtingin ka sa left and right mo, medyo may ano siya, parang eyeglasses na rin ng dating. Kaya meron pa siyang hood dito sa taas, kung ano mang malalaglag dyan masasalin niya. Pero ang pinakamaganda dito dahil swak na swak sa aking ilong. Kaya mga kailong, bumili na kayo nito dahil para sa atin to. Para sa lahat. Thank you so much Miss Nago. Once again, this is Mac Pernia is on the air.